Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to download unlimited custom shape for Adobe Photoshop and how you can install it in your Photoshop, how you can use it for your future graphic in Adobe Photoshop. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic design stuff, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can download the custom shape unlimited free online. So right here guys, the website we are going to use to download this particular custom shape is shapesforfree.com. You can see the website URL from the screen right here. So when you open up the site, it's gonna be open up right here. So the next thing you have to do is to search for the type of custom shape you need for your design. Okay, so you can scroll down and come down here and click on view all shapes. So this gives you more chance to see many types of shapes in different Photoshop custom shape that you can easily download. So you can scroll down and then you see more custom shape that you can actually download for your graphic. So let's say for instance I'm interested to download this particular QR code icon love right here. Just click on it. So when you click on the link that on the link of the icon shape you want to download, it's open up in another page right here. So all you have to do is to scroll down and look for download link right here. So just click on download link. Immediately you click on download link, it's going to prepare your download file. So let's see how you're going to use this particular file in Adobe Photoshop after you have able to download. So excuse me. So alright guys, so when you download the folder, you're going to have something like this. So you have to right click on the zip folder. So when you right click on the zip folder, you have to click on extract file here. Okay, so click on extract here. So when you extract the file, you're going to see the custom shapes file format I'm going to show you right now. So this one right here is what you will need to use on your Adobe Photoshop when you are trying to install. You can see CSH file. It's just about 16 kilobytes, so not really heavy. So next step you have to take is to open up your Adobe Photoshop. So when you open up your Adobe Photoshop, then navigate to custom shape right here. Click on custom shape. So when you get to custom shape, then you click on here. Then this open up. Then you have to come here, click on settings. So when you click on setting, click on load shapes. So when you click on load shapes, then it's open up. Then you have to look for where you have the folder. So I have it on my desktop. So the folder, download folder right here. So you can see the CSH file. Then when you are done, click on load. Okay, so guys, after you are able to load it in your Adobe Photoshop, you can scroll down and then look for the new one you just installed on your PC in Adobe Photoshop. You can see some of all these ones right here are custom shape, and I download it and I install it on my Adobe Photoshop for my design. So you can continue to scroll down. Most time when you install a new custom shape, you're going to see it at the last button. You can see it right here. This is the one we download. You can now draw it as a vector. So you can draw it as a vector in your Adobe Photoshop. You can change the color. You can do anything. So this one right here, I just give it a stroke color of red. So you can see it from the screen. So it's just a normal vector now. So I can decide to change this particular color to another color. All you have to do is to come back to the custom shape. You can remove the stroke, you can apply color fill now. So let me just apply this type of color, or this one right here, or this one right here. So you can just play around. You can see it right here that this is color fill. So this is how you download and install custom shape for Adobe Photoshop free online without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell so when I upload content about Photoshop topic, you get notified and you watch the video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.